Welcome to your contemporary dream retreat, designed by architects Victor Mitchell and Ralph Lasseter.
Nestled on a private lot, surrounded by serene Southern Shores-owned land, it's the perfect blend of timeless elegance and modern functionality.
As you step inside, you'll be greeted by a great room that radiates warmth. Thanks to the white oak accent ceiling and an oversized white brick wood-burning fireplace, it's the ideal space to create cherished memories with loved ones.
Flowing seamlessly throughout the home, the elegant wide plank white oak flooring ties the space together beautifully, adding a sophistication to every corner.
Just beyond, the sunroom offers a peaceful retreat with slate flooring and telescoping glass doors. This space seamlessly integrates indoor and outdoor living.
From here, you'll enjoy serene views of the private backyard oasis. This versatile space invites you to relax, entertain, or soak in the natural beauty that surrounds the home. The gourmet kitchen is both functional and stunning, featuring 2 spacious islands, a sub-zero refrigerator, Wolf range, Cove dishwasher, and quartz countertops. It's a dream for any cooking enthusiast. And don't forget the oversized walk-in pantry, a perfect blend of elegance and practicality, offering ample storage for all of your culinary essentials.
Upstairs, you'll find 3 additional ensuite bedrooms, each offering comfort and privacy for family and guests. There's also a flex media space that can be tailored to your needs, entertainment, work, or relaxation.
The luxurious ground level suite features direct access to the pool, with a luxurious ensuite bath featuring double closets, double vanities, and a luxurious soaking tub.
The backyard is equally impressive, featuring a heated saltwater pool with a custom concrete design. It's a private oasis perfect for unwinding after a long day. For added convenience, there's a luxurious outdoor shower with double shower heads, just what you need after a refreshing swim.
Living here comes with unmatched convenience. Enjoy access to community tennis and pickleball courts, scenic parks, sound access, and private Hillcrest beach access.
Imagine life-guarded beaches, outdoor showers, baths, and oceanfront parking, all just moments away from your door.
313 Hillcrest Drive isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle. From the timeless design to the incredible amenities, it's everything you've been dreaming of.
Call today to schedule your private tour. Your contemporary dream home awaits you. And for more 411 on the Outer Banks, please like and subscribe below. Thank you for joining.